Hi guys, my name is Kayla and I'm here at Nissan of New Rochelle. I'm now in the 2019 Nissan Kicks and I will be showing you how to access Apple CarPlay through your vehicle. This will allow you to make and receive messages, make calls, listen to music, and even access your directions. Why pay for navigation, right? What you do is take your Apple cord and plug it directly into your charger port. A prompt will show up on the screen and you will press OK, allowing certain vehicle information to be shared. A prompt on your phone will show asking if you would like to allow it while your phone is locked. This is best advised especially for GPS. If you're tired of hearing what's on the radio, you can access your Apple Music if you are a member, or Spotify or Pandora for my non-members. It's easy, you can slide, press your screen. While you're driving, if you like to make a call, you can press your phone.
Would you like to make a call? Or would you like me to play your voicemail?
That was Siri. Siri, call Nissan of New Rochelle.
Calling Nissan of New Rochelle. Home.
That easy. And now to my favorite. Why pay for navigation when you have a smartphone that will show you and help you stay focused on the road while giving you directions? You can access Waze easily. And being that Waze is saved with your smartphone's information, you do not have to plug in anything for the vehicle to remember. It's what's on your phone. So you can say, Waze, take me home, and it will load. And that's how you use Apple CarPlay. For any more instructions, you can visit us at Nissan of New Rochelle, 2533 Palmer Avenue.